ŠKODA Emergency Centre. Do you need police, ambulance or fire brigade?
Hello? I came off the road. I don't really know where I am.
No problem. We have you on our system and we have your exact location. Are you injured?
No, I'm okay. I did whack my head.
You sound a little bit disorientated, so we are going to send you an ambulance and I'm going to stay with you on the line until help arrives.
Okay. Thank you.
ŠKODA Connect, offering a wide range of online services. Visit your ŠKODA dealer today.